Okay, so we have done a lot of work, and we have already created a .h5 file or Keras file. And let's suppose if I would like to see visually that how this entire model looks like once again. I have shown you already how to visualize it, but in a different way, if I would like to visualize it, how I can do it, let me show you that part as well. So there is a platform called as NETRON, NETRON. Yeah, NETRON. Just try to go over there, right? Just try to go over there, and over here, try to drag and drop your model. Yeah, try to drag and drop your model. So I had basically test UV. Inside that there is a H5 model, right, that we have. So try to drag and drop this model, and here, so you will be able to see the model. We had the input layer, right? You will be able to see the detail over here. In total, we have 165 trainable parameter. We have a dense layer, which is a hidden layer. Again, what is the dimension of this one? So we have 10 unit of a neuron. I can try to even like zoom in from here. So it's already maxed zoom in. So vertical. Yeah. So we had basically 10 units. So yeah, it is able to show it to me. You can see the value of the biases. This is the value of the biases after a training you are able to see. And you will be able to see a value of a kernel, which is nothing but a weight, right? Weight. So I have already shown you how to see a weights. So even after a training, you will be able to see a weight. So weight and biases value. And even over here, you can try to copy, you can try to observe it. Now, so here we have basically like a 8 biases. So I can see the value of the biases. Initially, it was 0, absolutely 0, right? Initially it was absolute 0, but now I'm able to see a value. Now I'm able to see a value of these biases, and as well as I will be able to see the value of the weights, right? Value of the weights I'm able to see, as you can see, right? So for every layer, guys, for every layer we are able to do a postmortem even after doing a training, right? Even after doing a training, everything is pretty much visible to me, right? Pretty much visible to me. So like I said, nothing is a black box. Everything you will be able to observe, everything you will be able to check, everything you will be able to see. So just try to dump your .h5 file over here, and then you will be able to see a model visually, layer by layer, layer by layer, layer by layer, and then you will be even able to do a investigation that what is a value, what kind of a things it has done, in what layer it has done what, everything, right? Everything. So it's a great like a post-mortem resource, you can say, or platform which has been given to you, a netron.app. So please go over there, try to load your model, and then layer by layer, layer by layer, try to do some sort of a investigation. So hope you all are liking this entire series. So with that, thank you so much everyone. Take care, and see you again in my upcoming chapters.